So one product category that I tend to use frequently is these external battery packs. And of course I have external battery packs that are small, some that are really massive and well, take up a lot of space and weight. But then there's stuff like this that kind of sits in the middle. This is a 30,000 milliamp hour power bank from Llano. And it's simple and easy and just about right for those longer voyages or longer trips where you have to charge more than one time, or you have to charge something that's a little bit bigger than your phone. So let's take a peek at this guy. Okay folks, so welcome back to techgooch, and today we're looking at this. This is the Llano 30,000 milliamp hour up to 100 watt capacity or output capacity power bank. So pretty simple. It is, you know, a decently sized one. So if I was to compare this to the size of my 15 Pro Max, it's not quite as long. It's about the same width, but it definitely is thicker, right? However, 30,000 milliamp hours. So I have one that I commonly take with me, 10,000 milliamp hours. Works fine if I'm charging up my phone partially or two phones partially. You know, small. It's a smaller battery pack. It's probably about, it's 40-50% of the size of this one, I would guess. And I love that battery pack. It's great. However, when I need to charge multiple devices, or I should say larger devices, it can't handle it, right? This guy actually has a 100 watt output on that USB-C port there. So you can actually charge a MacBook Pro, a whole bunch of different things, iPad, and charge faster rate, but also have enough battery juice in the backup there to keep your other devices charged as well. The other nice thing is it's pretty simple. USB-C, USB-A, there's one of each port, so you can charge technically two devices at the same time. But on the side here, there's a little screen that actually lets you know how much percentage of battery is left. So if I click this button, all right, I changed the aperture so you can see it there. So you can see it says 75%, I think is what it's actually currently at right now. So that's just a way to indicate real quick how much charge is left on this guy. Now, of course, the other thing that that does come with it does come with a USB-C to USB-C cord to plug into your various electronics. This is a 100 watt maximum output cord, so it does match the 100 watt maximum output that this battery has the capability of doing. So there is that. I typically use my own USB-C cords, but it is nice that they're actually giving us something that has enough juice capacity to use the full battery pack's potential. And then they give you a small bag. Another thing that I typically don't use with these, but it is nice to have a storage bag if you want to throw it in there and keep it from getting scratched, or just put it in here and keep the ports from getting something in it. I always put it in a part of my carry-on, or I should say my backpack, that nothing else is in, so I'm not going to get anything in those ports. But that said, this is a decent sized battery for, well, charging up all your electronic goods. So the last question that usually comes to mind is, well, I see the pack, it's nice. How much is it going to cost me? So retail on this pack is $89.99. However, right now they have a nice little coupon on Amazon. I think it's a 30% coupon. So like 63 bucks is what you can get this, plus your taxes. So for what it is, 30,000 milliamp hours, it's kind of like, you're having 3 of those 10,000 milliamp hour batteries with the 100 watt output. So for what it is, for the money, not a bad little battery. I will put a link in the description where you can take a peek at this. It will be an Amazon affiliate link. But yeah, take a peek at it. To be honest, what it is, it's simple. USB-C or USB-A, and allows you to charge your stuff up. The only thing that I could see benefit on this based on the size and capacity is I would like to see maybe 1 or 2 extra ports. That'd be the one thing that I would change design on this. But depending on how you're using it, that is the benefit of it. It's simple. There's not a whole lot of extra stuff on here, and it just juices up whatever you're plugging into it. So that's the 30,000 milliamp hour battery from Llano. Check it out on Amazon. If you have any questions, post those below. Otherwise, let everybody know. If you have one of these yourself, let everybody know down in the comment section. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And at the end of the video here, if there's other things that you want to check out, there's other videos that I have on my channel. Sometimes I do other battery packs as well. But yeah, check those out as well. Thanks for watching to the end of the video. Catch you back here on techgooch for another future video review.